Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve a plus b is 1200, b plus c is 1500, c plus a is 1100 and we have to find the value of a plus b plus c. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm considering this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. So I'm going to add c both sides in equation number 1. Similarly, a in both sides in equation number 2. And b in both sides in equation number 3. Now we know that all are equals to a plus b plus c. That means all are equals to each other as well. So 1200 plus c is equals to 1500 plus a is equals to 1100 plus b. So we'll consider equals to a constant k. So 1200 plus c is equals to k. So c is equals to k minus 1200. Similarly, 1500 plus a is equals to k. So a is equals to k minus 1500. And 1100 plus b is equals to k. So b is equals to k minus 1100. Now, from equation first, we know that a plus b is equals to 1200. So the value of a is k minus 1500 plus b is k minus 1100 is equals to 1200. So k plus k is 2k and negative 1500, negative 1100 is negative 2600. So 2k is equals to 1200 plus 2600. So 2k is equals to 3800. So the value of k is 3800 by 2, which is equals to 1900. Now we have to find the value of a plus b plus c. So a is k minus 1500, b is k minus 1100 plus c is k minus 1200. So k is 1900 minus 1500 plus 1900 minus 1100 plus 1900 minus 1200. So 19 minus 1500 is 400 plus 800 plus 700. 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 7 is 1900. So the sum of a plus b plus c is 1900. I hope each and every step is clear. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned.